Good day, children. Sai Ram. We are here for today. We are here today for subject EVS, and we are going to continue our session. Children, do you remember what we have done in our last session? Yes, we have started with our new lesson, the earth and the sky, and we have done our new words, right? I hope you are thorough with the new words and you wrote that words 3 times. Yes? Okay. So now today here in this part 2, I'm going to explain you first what is earth. Do you know where we live? This we have already discussed in our last session, that we live on earth. Our earth is round like an orange. It is made up of land and water. This we have seen in our last session. I have shown you these images, right? See, this blue part is here water and green part here is land, and this is our earth. Okay, so our earth is made up of land and water. See, there are so many planets here. We live in our planet earth. The land has many kinds of forms, such as flat lands called plains. See, this is a flat land. This is a flat land. It's straight, right? This is straight. So this is a flat land. That flat land is called plains. Mountains and small mountains called hills. Now see, this is big mountains. So they are called mountains. And these are small. See, these are big. Okay, so they are called mountains, but they are smaller, so they are called as hills. So now you know what is different between mountains and hills. Mountains are very heighted. Okay, it's very tall, and hills are little smaller, look same like mountain. And the flat land is called plains. Okay, see properly why I am showing you these images, so that you will understand well. Now between hills and mountains there are valleys. Now between these hills and mountains there are valleys. See, this is mountains, and here it is hills, here it is mountains. Okay, and this is hills. This is a part of a hill. So this part is called valley. Okay, this part is called valley. Valleys are where crops or food are grown. Okay, so in this place, this is valleys. Okay, so in this place food and crops are grown. Water is present on the earth in many forms. Yes, on our earth water is present in many forms. Now for example, as snow on high mountains. Now where there is a snow, like in this mountains, can you see white? This white? Yes, they are snow. Snow is also a form of water, right? Snow is also a form of water. As water in lakes, rivers, seas and oceans as vapor in air. Water in seas and oceans is salty. Now see, as I told you, we can see water in many different forms, like lakes. This is lake. This is river. Okay, this is sea, and this is ocean. Okay, and as a vapor, you know what is vapor, right? When the water is heated, the vapor goes up in the sky and form a clouds, and from that clouds we get a rain. So there are many different forms of water we see here, like lakes, river, seas and oceans. Now water in sea and ocean. Where is sea and ocean? Show me where is sea and ocean from this picture. Yes, this is sea and this is ocean. So water in seas and ocean is salty. You cannot drink that water. It's very salty. Now teacher is going to explain you about the sky. You can see in the image down, right? The blue color sky. Yes. Now what is sky? Tell me, what is the sky? The sky is the space above the earth where you can see sun, moon, clouds and stars. Okay. A sky is the space above the earth. Okay, where you can see sun, moon, clouds, stars, right? So this is sky. Again. Now, as I told you that you can see sun in the sky, you can see moon in the sky, you can see clouds and stars in the sky, right? There are so many things you can see in the sky. What does our sky consist of? You know what is there in our sky? If you look up into the sky at daytime, you will see that the sky looks blue in color and there is bright yellow ball shining brightly. What is that bright yellow ball, children? Sun. Yes, that bright yellow ball in the sky which is shining brightly during the daytime is called sun. Okay, if in the daytime when you see up, the sky is blue in color, there is bright yellow ball shining brightly called sun. Remember, children. Now there is a white cotton like things floating in the sky which is moving. If you see up in the sky now continuously, you will see a white color cotton like things is moving slowly. They are known as clouds. Okay, sometimes when white clouds become gray or black in color, there may be rain. Now if you see in the sky, you will see the clouds is white in color, but sometimes it becomes gray and black, which mean that there is going to be a rain now. Okay, see here, this is gray clouds. If the clouds become gray or black, it means there may be a rain. At night, we do not see the sun. Can you see the sun at night, children? No. The moon and the stars shine at night. During the day there is a sun, and during the night the moon and the stars shine. We can see clouds even at night. Yes, we can see clouds even at night. A clear night sky shows that the moon and many twinkling stars. See, this is clear night sky. In this you can see cloud, in this you can see twinkling stars, and you can see a moon. Yes. Sometimes we can see many more things in the sky. Yes, sometimes you can see many more things in the sky like glider, kite, hot air balloon, aeroplane, helicopter and birds. There are so many things we can see in the sky. Now let's quickly recall what we have learned today. The earth is made up of land and water. The earth is made up of, come on children, you have to repeat after me. The earth is made up of land and water. It has flat lands, hills, valleys, forest and oceans. Our earth has flat lands, hills, valleys, forest, oceans. Yes. Water is present on the earth in the form of snow also. Yes, lake, river, ocean, sea, pond. There are many different way we get water. We see water. But where there is a snow, like mountain filled with snow, that is also a form of water. Water is present on the earth in the form of snow also. Sky is the space above the earth where one can see the sun, moon, clouds and stars. Okay, what is the sky? The sky is the space above the earth. Repeat after me, children. A sky is a space above the earth where one can see the sun, moon, clouds and stars. Clouds are white cotton-like things floating in the sky. Clouds are white cotton-like things floating in the sky. The sun shines during the day and the moon shines at night. Yes, during the day the sun shines in the sky and at night you can see the moon shines at night in the sky. Right, children? I hope you all are clear. Now, today's activity is you have to make the picture of night sky and a day sky. How the sky will look at night and how the sky will look during the daytime. Now see, the sky will look like this during the night time and the sky will look like this during the daytime. In the daytime you will see sun and clouds and in the night you will see moon and stars. Okay, so you have to draw this picture. This is your activity, and if you are not thorough with the new words of this lesson, then you have to write that again 3 times. Now, did you know that the earth has much more water than it has land? Yes, see, this is our earth and the water in the earth is more than the land. We are staying in the land, right? But in earth, land is less compared to water. The water in the earth is more, much more, okay? This is an amazing fact. You can ask anyone. Okay, children? Don't forget to do today's activity. Now, the session is over here. We will soon meet in our next session with our new lesson. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.